Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, kindly hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to Nigeria HK. DJ a full performance of Kizz in Australia, and I think Kizz killed this one. So guys, I'll be playing the full video for you guys shortly, so you guys can watch and see for yourself. Please, if it's the first time my channel, do not to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And after watching this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section below on opinion what you think about the performance of Kizz in Australia. So guys, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the performance for now. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video to the end. Please if you first time my channel, don't hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I know you can do this guys. Then help the channel out by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below on what you think about Kizz performance in Australia. I think I'll be signing out for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.